Alright, all that's left now is to put the cover on. Got that stupid useless vent feature. Glad I was able to fix the louvers, that's cool. I thought that was broken. Well, it was broken, but I know to fix easily. Where's that? No, it seemed like the thermostat was kind of out of calibration. Yeah, it's just barely clicking on. Let's see if we can calibrate the thermostat. Unless it might be too late, I've already assembled too far. Let's see if I can get at it or not. Trying to get the thermostat ever so slightly, but I think I might have assembled too far to get the thermostat out. Hey, look at that. Okay, so let's see, they don't all have a calibration on them, but some of them do. Let's see if I can find it. Just disconnect it and drop it down. Now, of course, I could be opening a whole other can of worms I will regret, but let's just give it a shot. Because this is going into the media room, and that's a room I would want to be cooler. There'll be a lot of equipment in there, you know. So let's see. Oh, gross. There's a plug in there. It looks like there's a screw on top. I'm not sure if that's calibration or what. Let's turn it and see what happens. So right now, it just barely clicks on right at the end. So I need a small Phillips screwdriver. It's probably too big, but let's see. No, it's not too big. I think that made a difference. Yeah, that's calibrating. All right, good. Alright, cool. That'll work. And that gives me a much better range now. Let's see how much fun it takes to get this back in place. That may not be too bad. That's another nice thing about mechanical controls over the Digitam ones. You can customize. When you get a Digitam control, you're stuck with however low it goes. They don't give you no options, you know. And consumer choice is important, and it's being diminished with all these electronic controls all the time. But that's a whole other issue for another day. Why is this not grabbing? Seems like it's right there at the edge. Alright, that wasn't too bad. It's not bad at all. Now we have the, yeah, that's much better. Now we got the challenge of getting it back into place. Took a little bit of convincing the first time, so may most likely do the same this time. Feels like it's hitting something solid now. That's not what it felt like the first time at all. Feels like it's up against the back. Okay, good. There's a white screw now. Truly have no idea where that goes. Much better. I don't use the air conditioner much, but if I'm going to use it, it might as well be cool. Otherwise, what are you paying to run it for? Oh, there's the white screw. It goes over here. Okay, so look at that, 0 spare parts. Alright, now the only bummer out of the whole thing is that I could not salvage the filter, so we're going to have to get new material to put onto the filter. It started to break apart during cleaning, and my concern is that one day we're going to open it up and find that all this has become one with the coil. So I think the safest option is to just omit it all, and I'll replace it with a foam filter, or I'll do something else, because this is, unfortunately, this is just spoiled. This must have been stored up in an attic or somewhere that was really hot for a long time. It's kind of unusual for this to deteriorate like this, but it did. That's unfortunate, but I really don't want to find out that in 2 years from now the thing breaks down and gets sucked into the coil, and then we have a freak show that's not easily fixed. At least this I can very easily glue a new piece of filter material to it, and it will not be an issue. Alright, let's give it one final test. I'll let it run on the fan for a while as I clean the knobs. This way when I go to move it into the window, and get more oil throughout the house. It's already on here. Yeah, I think that opening is getting restricted. Not considerably, but it is getting restricted, so we're going to have to correct that for sure. Simple piece of tape should fix it, no big deal at all. Yeah, that's good. It's now like, yeah, that's perfect. Give me the knob. Even sounds good. That's pretty effective. That, or whatever has me with it, so stupid. I wish this would go up and down, but it just doesn't have that functionality. No recirculation, so that's good. I kind of like the format of the small register to the right rather than the register against the top, because this forces the air into the room better. Probably why Carrier did the same thing. It's getting cold. Everything is copacetic here. Alright, I'm going to go clean the knobs off, and then I'll put them back on, and then that'll be the end of the video. Okay, the knobs are cleaned. I think they're the same. No, that's not right. How come it's not following the numbers? Is that because it's the wrong knob? Or is that because of the calibration? I don't see why the calibration would have done that, but no, it's the wrong knob, that's the problem. So they're not the same. Yeah, that's good. It's clicking right in the middle now. Alright. This is ready to be installed.